Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, in the lively 1970s, there was a young woman named Marcia. She was a soulful jazz singer with a voice that could make the moon pause in admiration. Every night, she graced the stage at a small but renowned jazz club called the Golden Note, where the smoky air was filled with the sweet sound of her voice and the rhythm of a lively band. Marcia's passion for music was like the ocean, deep, powerful, and endless. Across town, there was a young man named Andy, a talented studio manager at Studio One. He had a keen ear for sound and a heart full of dreams. Andy loved to work behind the scenes, helping artists bring their music to life. He had a special fondness for jazz and reggae, and he believed that music could bring people together, no matter where they came from. One evening, after a long day of mixing tracks, Andy decided to visit the Golden Note, curious to hear the famous singer Marcia perform. As he stepped inside, the room filled with the warm glow of lanterns and the scent of spices from the street vendors outside. When Marcia took the stage, her voice immediately wrapped around him like a favorite old shirt. Her song was about love, hope, and the struggles of life, and Andy was captivated. After her set, Andy approached the stage, and with a shy smile, he introduced himself. They started talking about their dreams, Marcia about spreading her voice across the island, and Andy about recording the best music Jamaica had ever heard. Inspired by each other's passion, they decided to work together. Andy promised to help Marcia record her music, and in return, her voice would inspire his work in the studio. From that night on, their collaboration blossomed like the vibrant flowers in Kingston's gardens. Marcia's soulful jazz, paired with Andy's keen ear, created magic that touched everyone who listened. Their story became a legend, a tale of how a jazz singer and a studio manager, united by their love for music, helped make Jamaica's sound unforgettable. And so, in the heart of the 1970s, their dreams soared high, just like the island's bright, endless sun.